taken care of these students under the guidance of our God, our living God. You know what happened this duration from May, April, up to recently, even 3 days ago. You've had schools have been burned down, and but our school we prayed. We asked the guidance from God. We invited guests like the one who preached today. They talked to these students. Until now, you are going with them when they are okay. They have no issues. But I know when they come home, you don't take care of them. Because when they come back, you find that they are blank. You are at home, but you don't know where your child is. That is a serious mistake, and you've heard from our pastor that you have to ensure that your child is safe. Normally when you come here as a parent, there's a statement you make and we wonder, mwalimu wewe ndio utanisaidia tu, mimi nimeshindwa mbele ya mwanafunzi. You know, that is a statement that makes us frustrated, but because of the spirit that we are given by God, we are able to contain these boys and girls in terms of discipline. So take care of them when they come back. On 25th August, we'll have girls coming back to school. Then on 26th, the boys will report to school. When we have said they report, let them come to school. Some of them reach here, they go to places where we don't know. Later, the parent will report that the child came, but he left to either Kisii or to an unknown place to drink and do other businesses. So kindly escort your child to school if possible. Or if your child has left home, inquire in school whether the child has arrived or not to avoid so many cases.
At the end of this year, we'll do well, and by next year, around this time, we'll again be awarded. Thank you.
And particularly the principal, who is our friend, kwa hii sherehe ya leo ya kucelebrate a good result. Tunawaombea mema, Mungu awabariki, na tunaombea candidates 2026 wafanye vyema zaidi. Mimi naitwa Winifred Orina, Chief Principal Tombe Girls, and Kesha Secretary County. Asante, Mungu awabariki.
One statement. First, wanafunzi nilisema ni gani? 9 verse 24. I'll paraphrase. It says, Paul says, I should run the race so that I can get the prize. So as children we share, life is full of marathons. And this marathon of high school, run it in such a way that you get the prize. I'll finish on that one. Wasasi, tunataka kuwafanyisha exercise kidogo. Nataka to appreciate makofi tu, sio pesa. Tupigie principal na walimu wake makofi. Mungu amewawezesha, tumemaliza muda vizuri. This gentleman calls me almost twice every evening on whatever is happening. Sometimes when I receive score assigned, nafikiria ni kitu mbaya, napata anafanya tu consolidation. Very very hard working, and sometimes I call him at 11 to test kama amelala, napata hako kwa office. Parents, let us appreciate this team of the principal and the teachers.
Saying thank you, our parents. You have been very supportive to us as a school. I say thank you on your behalf. Secondly, I want to tell you that as a school, know that your children, our children, are very safe under the leadership of our able senior principal, Job Lasuru. Thank you. As you go home, I want to say that God bless your pockets. God bless your pockets such that you get enough money to pay school fees. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Asante.
Mr. Kaburi, congratulations na mtoto wako. Sisi walimu, we trust our school, we bring our students, our children here. Mwalimu alikuwa na mwanafunzi. Mr. Kaburi, congratulations na mtoto wako. Sisi walimu, we trust our school, we bring our students, our children here. Mwalimu alikuwa na mwanafunzi.